Welcome to Outing Journal Ulanzi MT-40 review. First thing you will be seeing that I'm not using the Ulanzi MT-40 tripod because that one was quite small. I'm using this metal tripod. This one I pay like around $15 US. Let me show you the brand. Please do not use the official Ulanzi tripod which is super flimsy. This one is the ZDO. I will throw in the link in the description box. This is a fully metal tripod, not the plastic tripod. I just do not like the Ulanzi MT-40 tripod. Other than that, everything is great. I mean, the selfie stick, there's a remote. Where's the remote? Let me just close this one. Okay, and then let me show you the remote. One thing I do not like is that it lack of any 360 ball, so the movement is quite a little bit restricted. So by using this one, you get a little bit more reach, but this one is more comfortable. And then here's the remote. As you can see, here is the remote. So normally you get, for example, this 11 to 22 millimeter. Let me just put in video mode just to give you an idea. 11 to 22. If I hold the camera, I'm going to get this amount of reach. But if I'm going to use this Ulanzi MT-40, I'm going to get this reach. I'm also going to get this reach, but I'm not going to trust the tripod thread, which is one of the weak points, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to hold it like this. So like this. Okay, for example, I can just take out, but and here's the remote. I feel the button was a little bit more comfortable. They are quite mushy. But again, I want two things I do not like. Button are quite mushy and lack of built-in tripod. So you have to install externally, as you can see. So overall, I quite like it. This small rig one also, personally, I prefer if you're going to get the small rig, which is a built-in tripod, much better build quality compared to Ulanzi MT-40. I will give 5 out of 10 score. Like, if you are going to get on a deal for around $40, $30 US, $35, then get it, because the small rig one is selling for around $99 US, then get this one. But if you are going to travel a lot, if you are going to make a lot of travel content, again, this takes time. This takes like 1 minute to install the bottom. But the good thing is that this one also you can for the gimbal. This is quite sturdy. So overall, I quite like it. For example, I can easily open it and I can easily put it like this if I want. Wow. So now let me just going to give you an idea how much reach you are going to get. Let's jump to here. So this one I'm holding from the camera. This is the camera reach you are going to get, and this one I'm holding from the Ulanzi MT-40. There is a huge difference, right? There is a huge difference, to be honest with you. I know there's a huge difference. Again, let me hold it from the camera and from the Ulanzi MT-40. So let me know in the comment section box below what do you think. I give like 5 out of 10 score, to be honest with you. That's all I wanna say. I wish it have a better build quality, better built-in tripod, and the button was not that mushy. I have to say bye. So this one I'm holding from the camera. This is the camera reach you are going to get, and this one I'm holding from the Ulanzi MT-40. There is a huge difference, right? There is a huge difference, to be honest with you. I know there's a huge difference. Again, let me hold it from the camera and from the Ulanzi MT-40. So let me know in the comment section box below what do you think. I give like 5 out of 10 score, to be honest with you. That's all I wanna say. I wish it have a better build quality, better built-in tripod, and the button was not that mushy. I have to say bye.